Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to add furniture. So if you want to add furniture in Shift Architect, we can use the SketchUp file. Okay, for example, I will create a room with these wall tools. And the next you can go into 3D view. Okay, I will use the perspective view. And you can scroll in to move into inside of the room. Now to add furniture, you can click File, go to Import, and then click on Import 3D Symbols. So I will use the SketchUp file. Example, I will use this file. You can click Open, and then you can click OK. Now it will be show for the objects in the library browser and in the user catalog. So you can choose the objects and then you can click on the room to insert the object. If you want to resize, you can select the objects, right click, and then you can go to the transform or replicate objects. You can check for resize, like I will set into 5, so to be resized into 5 times. Click OK to apply. You can resize again, right click, click transform, and then I will set again into 5, click OK to resize. Okay, that's it for a basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to add furniture. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.